Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Smatree Bluetooth Selfie Stick with tripod. It is compatible for GoPro Hero 18, GoPro Fusion Hero 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Of course, because all of these devices are mounted in one GoPro frame. It is compatible with cameras, Ricoh, Theta, SM15 cameras, for example, and of course for your smartphones, all kind of smartphones, standard devices, iPhone X, XS, 8, 8 Plus, etc., 7, 6, 5, 4, etc., as Samsung Galaxies and Huawei P30, P20, P whatever. That means all kind of standard smartphone you can handle here easily. It is strongly stable, and it is a selfie stick. It is extendable from 11.8 inches to 36.6 inches. Combined with solid tripod, supply any length and angle for you. Simply twist clockwise to release, choose your desired length, and twist clockwise to lock the selfie stick. It has on top a flexible ball head. It provides 360 degrees rotation angle for cameras and cell phones, and of course smart action cams. This is to get into the best shooting position you are going to have. It has a high quality wireless Bluetooth remote control. This offers you a more convenient way for shooting. The Bluetooth remote is designed to pair with all kinds of Bluetooth devices. For example, it is possible to pair it with your iPad too, of course, and all kind of smartphones which are using Bluetooth on board. You can pair it with this, not selfie stick, with the remote of the selfie stick, of course. The combination of camera, selfie stick with tripod stand enables you to record photos and videos for hours with minimum effort. This is a professional design. It brings you a relaxed shooting environment. It is made of high-quality aluminium tube for durable use with slip-resistant rubber and wrist straps. It prevents unexpected falling off. It is really nice because you get two selfie sticks in one set, I think. Because you have the upper part, the extender-able part. This you can use with a loop and the selfie stick option for example, smartphone. And the bottom tripod part you can use as tripod as well. Or you can use it as a second selfie stick. So in this set, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 devices in one set for a nice price. You can use your action cams, you can use smartphones, and you can use the remote to control your smartphone. Easy. Nice quality, nice finish, aluminium size, 11.8 inches. This is a selfie stick tall, and you can then extend it up until 36.6 inches. I think this is enough to get awesome shots outside. And at the 360 degrees tilt-able swivel mount. You can dock your phone or the GoPro, for example. And then the only way you have to do is twist the black handle, the lock system 90 degrees, and then you can rotate your smartphone or your action cam to get awesome shots. We have a cell phone holder. The cell phone holder is up to 107 millimeters and down to 73 millimeters in the wide. So that means you can get so many different kinds of smartphones connected there. The tripod is 11.8 inches. This is enough to get a stable mount. And it looks like a little bit easy to get everything in one thing. And then you have, I think it's 1 meter, up to 1 meter stand for it. And everything is in the box. I like it and I will use it to make more awesome videos for you there. That it is. I bought it because of my lovely hobby here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.